Namaskar. Did you know there is a tiny seed that can absorb up to 12 times its own weight in water? Food scientists call this nutritional powerhouse as it is packed with plant protein, omega 3, calcium, magnesium, and fiber, all in just one spoon. Yes, I'm talking about chia seed. Tiny in size but mighty in benefits. So, I will tell you more about why chia seeds are healthy. Just one spoon of these tiny seeds contain more calcium than milk, more omega 3 than flaxseed, and plenty of antioxidants. If you are vegetarian and want to know about plant based proteins, this is one of the best sources. The fiber in chia seeds keeps your digestion active, so they help to manage blood sugar and cholesterol. Many people come to me asking about chia seeds for weight loss. Yes, they do help. When you eat them regularly, they keep you full for longer and reduce unnecessary cravings. So they are naturally good for reducing fat without any side effect. Now, before I tell you how to eat chia seeds, let me clarify a very common confusion people have. Are chia seeds and sabja seeds are same? Answer is no. Though both swell up soaked in water and look similar, but they come from different plants. Chia seeds come from Salvia hispanica, a plant from Mexico, while sabja seed comes from seed basil or Ocimum basilicum, which is different from tulsi or Ocimum sanctum. Sabja seeds are cooling for the body, but chia seeds have protein, omega 3, fatty acids, and fiber. Now let's see how you can include chia seeds in your diet. When you mix chia seed in water and let them soak for 20-30 minutes, they form a gel-like texture. Try drinking chia seed water in the morning. It helps flush toxins and gives steady energy for the entire day. You can take lemon and chia seeds together or coconut water with chia seeds. These simple combinations hydrate your body and replenish electrolyte naturally. If you want some variety, you can blend chia seed smoothie with banana, oats, and milk. You can sprinkle organic chia seeds over curd or fruit salads, or make a delicious chia pudding by soaking the seeds overnight in coconut milk and adding some fruits in the morning. But remember, never eat chia seeds dry. They expand almost 10 times their size when soaked. So always allow them to absorb water first. It is safer and easier to digest that way. So, when should you take them? Morning is the best time. If you drink chia seed in water or lemon juice and chia seed first thing in the morning, it gives a great start to your metabolism. And have coconut water with chia seeds after your walk or exercise. It will help your muscles recover faster. Let's see what happens when you eat chia seeds daily. You will notice smoother digestion because of the fiber. Your energy levels will remain steady. Your skin will glow because of the antioxidants. Your bones become stronger as chia seeds are full of calcium and magnesium. And your heart stays healthy because omega 3 fats balance your cholesterol level. For those trying to lose weight, chia seeds help you feel full without adding many calories. Chia seed also releases energy slowly, so they help you throughout the day. Now here is something you must remember. 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a day is enough. And if you have any digestive issue, start with a very small quantity. Choose organic chia seeds whenever it is possible because they are purer and more nutritious. When you eat light, high fiber and sattvic food, your energy improves, your mind stays calm and your body feels balanced. Namaskar.